Meow. So I'm just finding the shapes. Slow and easy. Making sure everything is acceptable, convincingly cat to me. I don't move on to the next until I feel the shapes I'm working on are right and that they all go together and fit together well. Just so the kitty looks comfortable. Nice light lines at this stage because this is a stage where I might need to erase and make corrections. It's a lot easier to erase if your lines are light. When I'm doing the face, I don't worry about perfection. I like character more than anything, but I want to make sure the features are in the right places. So I slow down and take it easy. Think about every line at this stage. And that's expression that I'm creating. Sometimes I just like to make big, smooth, round circles for eyes. It gives a different look. So this time I chose to kind of get a few lines around the edges to create the eyes. And sometimes I can get more character in that way. It just all depends on what I feel like trying at the time. And you just got to find your own way. And it's always evolving. You can never really say, okay, I found my style now. It's the style is always evolving, and everyone's style is different. So it's up to you to find your own way, and I hope I can help you along with that. I love to see kitty face appearing. And I think about every line too, because it's, getting the initial lines for the shape and everything. I want to get everything in there, but more at this stage and on, it's easy to overdo it and put too many lines in a simple little drawing like this. And then, the viewer's eye doesn't know where to look. We want to keep it simple and keep the character in it. I like that. Don't worry about making both eyes look exactly the same because it's the little differences that give it the character. If one's a little more wide open or one's a little crooked, that's what gives it the character and soul. When you start trying to correct every little thing that you think is an imperfection, it's so easy to destroy that beautiful expressionistic look. And that's when your drawings end up looking stiff and lifeless. Little imperfections are what make the drawings charming. And it shows your personality. It's just like your signature. Your signature is so unique to you that it's used to recognize you on legal documents, and your drawing really isn't a whole lot different in that way. Often we recognize an artist by their style. Shows who they are. When we try to polish everything and make it perfect, it really tends to, take away from that personal look. So careful at this stage, don't add too many lines. Every little line you add should have some purpose, maybe to add some character. And you see my muzzle lines that I just put in there are a little softer too. Just a few little tabby marking lines. I just put some in the tail, and you want to give the drawing what it needs, not necessarily exactly what you see in your subject, but what the drawing needs, and not too much. It's easy to overdo a simple little drawing. I like that. And that's what erasers are for too, if you overdo it. Sometimes it's just a tiny little bit I want to take off. I just want to soften a line, not necessarily get rid of it. And the whiskers are the finishing touch. Check out the links below in the video description. Got a Facebook group you can join if you want. Cat Drawing Art Workshop. And thank you so much for watching.